Ah, so now I am having a nice day. So now I am going to. Huh? Whoa! What the heck? You know what? I'll go after him. Hey! Stop! Whoa! Who is that? Hey! Stop! Please! Huh? Stop! So, you were driving without looking at me, right? Yes, and why do you ask? Well, it's because you were driving reckless. Well, yes, why? Well, it's because you did not look at me now. So that's all I need. Well, you should. Are you going to be careful? Yes. Are you going to? Yes or no? Yeah. Yes or no? You have to let someone pass it. Well, I don't care. Come on, shut the hell up. Because you don't like it. Because you were driving reckless. You are an asshole. You almost killed someone. You freaking dumbass. Well, I don't give a crap. You don't give a crap. Knucklehead. Oh, idiot.